What do we have here? Oh my.
A 10.5 cat.
Oh, okay. Is it four-wheel drive? Yeah.
It's a 83 Blazer running gear.
Oh, cool. That's something else. Looks like you'd put a few additions to it.
Yeah. Spool in the back and a unit track in the front.
Okay. Very cool. You can go about anywhere you want to go, can't you?
It goes pretty good. If there's anything out here that'll keep me stopped. Narrow trails, maybe.
Yeah, narrow trails. Oh, very good. I like it. Go ahead. I'm just, you're the owner, so I have a YouTube channel, so I just like to take pictures and video of people's rigs.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, you gotta warm it up, like you said, those old trucks.